quiet.
Just tell a story.
Help me out here. I'm doing February's market report. No. So, what happened in February? What's up, everybody? It's awesome that it's springtime, but we need to go back and look at February. Even though I'm giving a market update on February's stats, I need you to know that the reason why we're doing this is because we want to see what might potentially happen in the future. Before we do that, remember that my last video when we discussed down payment assistance and there was that $15,000 program? Guess what? It's gone. It's almost like I posted the video and everyone went to their realtor and they were like, how do I get that $15,000? No more. But I am an expert on down payment assistance. So if you have questions, please give me a call. I know what programs are available. And if they're there, which they are, they're there. So use them. I'm not afraid of them. If your realtor's afraid of down payment assistance, you need a new realtor. That's just the truth. I feel bad saying that, but it's for real. Like, come on, people. If you need it and you want a roof over your head, use it. Hello. Now for a market report. Market report time. Let's do this. Average days to sell. February 2018, 46 days to sell. February 2019, 47 days to sell. About the same. Last year, February, we had 7,964 listings. This year, February, we had 9,059 listings. That's a 12% increase. People are listing their home. That means more competition for you if you're selling your home. But that's okay, because if you have the right realtor, your home sells. Your home is listed appropriately. Great pictures. Staging, phenomenal. Home sells, multiple offers, no problem, right? That's right. That's what happens when I'm your realtor. Number of homes sold in February last year, 2,704 homes. This year, 2,746 homes sold in February. That's a 1.5% increase from last year. The homes are selling. That's great news. What's even better about that news is that interest rates did not drop in February. They're low now, but they weren't low in February. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen in March this year. It's incredible how low interest rates have dropped in the past week. It's like insane to me. So what's the average sale price? What could it be? Average sale price for the 4 counties like Oakland County, Wayne County, Livingston County, and of course Washtenaw County. $194,654. So what can you get for that price? Right now, typically in that price range, we are looking at a 3-bedroom, central air, 2-bathroom ranch home with a 2-car garage and a basement. Right now, this very moment, interest rates have gone down. It's pretty amazing. But what does that mean for you? Well, that means your monthly payment will be lower. If you have already been pre-qualified, that means you can afford more. You can afford more for a home. So talk to your lender, get a new pre-approval, find out what you qualify for. Like you're not running around looking at homes that you hate when you can qualify for more. So get that taken care of. I know even a ton of good lenders. I do. I have a couple people that I trust. If you have any questions, you can always call me. I can refer you to someone. You don't know how long interest rates are gonna stay this low. So you might wanna ask your lender if they do a lock and shop as well as a float down option for the rate. That would be great because then you can shop around at this low interest rate, and if rates go lower, you can still float down that lower rate when you get under contract. That would be perfect, right? There are lenders out there that do that. So see who fits with you, see who makes the most sense for you, right? Interview these people, find out who makes the most sense. And then let's go looking. Let's go looking. Let's look for your freaking dream home. Let's do it. Let's do it today. Call me. See ya.